Hi, it's Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. Today we're going to show you how to build this PVC truck bed cover frame out of PVC pipe. Before we get too far in this video, I want you to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so more people can see this video and you don't miss any new content.
Let's go over the parts needed. First, we got here a section that's 5 feet long. These two sections right here, they're 2 feet long. Moving on to these pipes, these are going to be 1.5 feet, but you're going to have to customize that for your design of truck. It could be a Ford, Chevy, or so on. Going over to the fittings, we'll start here at the front. We have a three-way, and then we have a side saddle T. Moving up to the ridge, this is an adjustable three-way. That's going to adjust to your right pitch. Moving over to the top there.
Alright, I'm going to take a second to show you how those adjustable fittings work. You have the 3-ways and the 4-way adjustables. Both of these can be adjusted by using a 7/16 socket. You loosen the bolt, set your angle, and then tighten it back as you see in the video. As I said before, you will need 2 of the 3-way adjustables, and you will need 2 of the 4-way adjustables you see there in the middle. Like I mentioned earlier, all the fittings should be the same for every type of vehicle. What's going to change is the pipe lengths. We're going to pause right here and show you what we used for this design. The pipes along the ridge there were roughly 20 inches long. The 8 sections of PVC pipe that are coming up from the side saddle tees into those adjustables are cut to roughly 31 inches long. You will need 8 side saddle tees, and we're going to show you how those work.
Another nice feature we have with this setup is the side saddle tee. This allows us to not have to make numerous cuts on a section of pipe. Go ahead and snap it on like that, and that's our angle piece there. Not allowing us to make these sections only 36.5 inches for each of these.
And lastly, for the middle there, you will need 2 4-way fittings,
instead of having to make numerous cuts for the same design. The nice thing about this design is you can simply put in longer sections of PVC pipe, raise it up, and it can be used for a truck tent. Go camping, throw your mattress in, works really good. Also, this design works for a short bed and a long bed. All right, let's take a look at how it looks in here. How this will divert the water. As you can see, if you come in here and you still have your truck space, it's still useful. You can still have your tools, camping equipment, no problem. But you're not having that sagging effect and everything getting wet in the back of the truck. The nice thing about this design as well is we have the 3-ways and 4-ways being used. That allows you to make any pitch you'd like. If you have a heavy snow, you can make a little longer PVC pipe here and make that pitch extremely high so there's no buildup and no chance of it crushing the design. Or if you have some rain, low profile, you can barely even see it from the yard. Also, that's something nice about this design is it's light. It's easy to take out, collapse, put in your garage, and use it for the next season.